What happens to your 401k after you leave a job? A lot of people have asked me about this and have a 401k account somewhere from an old employer that's losing value every day. Because one, they don't know how it works, and two, they don't want to bother their old employer. But that doesn't make sense because that money is 100% yours. It was literally taken out of your paycheck pre-tax and put into a 401k with your name on it. Plus, most company 401ks are usually handled by third-party companies like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. So you wouldn't even have to contact your old employer. You could just deal with, for example, Fidelity's customer support. Now, once you do gain access to it, you generally have four options. One, leave the money in there if you like the company. Just make sure that the money is in a good investment like an S&P 500 fund and not bonds. Two, move your money to an IRA. It means transferring your money to a retirement account that you manage with something called a direct rollover. Three, you can also do a direct rollover into your current employer's 401k plan. All your money would be in one place and that's good for compound interest. Number four, you can withdraw that money as cash. You'll get a check in the mail, but you need to pay a penalty charge and pay taxes on it. I usually recommend moving your money to an IRA so that you have more control over your investments, but everyone's different. Just remember that if you do have money out there, the custodian that manages it will eventually hunt you down and give you what's left. So you might as well act now because the money could have lost most of its value by then, and you'll get it either way.